Breaking news! It's me, New Reporter 7, back to you live to tell you, new supporter, we know where he is now because he kind of just came to Silverback Studios and told us that he wants to come back. Now, well, I was kind of scared because his addiction to cannibalism, but he somehow found a way to get past it. So, he is officially back at Silverback Studios. I'm not sure what to do now. Maybe, oh, I don't know what to do now. These new reporters were kind of here to fill in on the news before he comes back. Until he comes back. Now we know. New supporter back in Gorilla Tag. Now, this is Monkey News, signing off.